Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating and cutting-edge treatment for injured or sick animals, both on the farm and in the house. If you're a pet owner or a farmer with livestock, you may want to pay close attention to this powerful healing solution, stem cell phototherapy patches. First, let's start with a simple question. What exactly are stem cell phototherapy patches, and how do they work? Stem cell phototherapy patches are an innovative, non-invasive treatment that combines the healing power of stem cells with body light therapy. These patches contain tiny bioactive crystals that stimulate the animal's body's stem cells and natural regenerative abilities. When applied to the skin, the animal's own body light helps the patch activate stem cells beneath the animal's skin surface, promoting cell regeneration and repair. Literally speaking, they help your animal's body heal itself. Now that we understand the basics, let's jump into the 10 best reasons to consider using stem cell phototherapy patches for our farm animals and house pets. Number 1. Accelerated healing for injuries. First, these patches can significantly speed up the healing process for injuries. Whether your animal has a sprained leg, a wound, or even post-surgical trauma, stem cell phototherapy helps regenerate tissue and reduce inflammation, also helping your animal recover faster and return to their active life. Number 2. Pain relief. For pets and farm animals suffering from chronic pain, such as arthritis or muscle soreness, stem cell phototherapy patches are an excellent pain relief option. They naturally stimulate pain-relieving processes in the body, making it easier for your animal to move and stay active. Number 3. Non-invasive and drug-free. One of the most appealing benefits is that stem cell phototherapy is non-invasive and drug-free. There are no injections or oral medications involved, meaning there are no side effects commonly associated with pharmaceuticals. This makes it safe for both long-term use and younger or older animals. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. In addition to promoting healing, these patches help to reduce inflammation. For animals dealing with conditions like tendinitis, swelling, or other inflammatory diseases, stem cell phototherapy can be a game-changer in providing relief and preventing further damage. Number 5. Improves joint health. These patches can also improve joint health by promoting the regeneration of cartilage and strengthening connective tissue. For pets or farm animals with joint problems, stem cell phototherapy can enhance mobility and prevent the worsening of conditions like hip dysplasia or arthritis. Number 6. Boosts immune system function. Stem cell phototherapy patches also help boost your animal's immune system, supporting natural defense mechanisms. This is particularly useful for animals with weakened immune systems, as stem cell phototherapy promotes overall health and resilience against infections. Number 7. Supports the animal's recovery after surgery. Post-surgical recovery can be a long road for animals. Stem cell phototherapy patches speed up the healing of surgical sites and reduce scar tissue formation. The patches also decrease the risk of complications, allowing your pet or livestock to recover comfortably and faster. Number 8. Ideal for all animal types. Whether you're caring for a house pet, a farm animal, or even a horse, stem cell phototherapy patches are adaptable and safe for all types of animals. These patches can be customized to suit the size and needs of the animal, making it a versatile solution for many types of care. Number 9. Easy to use and convenient. Using stem cell phototherapy patches is simple. They're easy to apply, and animals typically don't mind wearing them. The patches are discreet, and you don't need to worry about complicated treatments or handling during the process, making it convenient for busy pet owners and farmers alike. Number 10. Long-term health benefits. Finally, regular use of stem cell phototherapy patches has long-term benefits for your animal's health. By encouraging tissue regeneration and maintaining cell function, these patches help your animals stay healthier and more active, reducing the risk of future injury and illness. So, there you have it, the top 10 reasons to consider stem cell phototherapy patches for your farm animals and house pets. Whether you're looking to speed up recovery, relieve pain, or boost overall health, these patches are a safe, effective solution that can make a huge difference in your animal's well-being. Want to learn more? Learn more about this revolutionary treatment or share your experiences with us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more animal care tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.